and welcome to Sarah's Stamp Retreat. Today we're going to be using this die from Polkadoodles that's called Beary Cute to create an autumnal card. So I'm going to start with some ink blending. You can see that this has already been used for ink blending before. I like to use them a few times before I check them out. And I'm going to use cracked pistachio and salvaged patina. So I'm going to start with the salvaged patina, and I'm just working from the top. This is a 5-inch square white card blank. And then I'm going to go in with the cracked pistachio from the bottom. And so then I've got all these pieces that I have cut from the die set. So obviously this is the main bear. And I'll show you how it cuts. So you've got the main bear. So I've cut that in brown cardstock. You've got this bit which cuts out the nose, bits to go in the ears, and it also cuts this kind of bit for his chest, which I've not decided whether I'll use yet or not. Then we've got the little arms, which I've cut in brown. Then we've got the eyes and the nose, which I've cut in black. There's these paws that you can use as well, but I'm not using those today. There's a little bee, there's this beehive, a little door for the beehive. And then I've used these 3 leaves to cut out of a whole bunch of like autumnal leaves. So I'm just going to take this kind of smaller blending brush and my Stampin' Up! Early Espresso ink, and I'm just going to blend a little bit around the outside of the bear, just to kind of add a little bit of kind of dimension to him. And then I'm just going to make sure there's no more brown ink on there. And then I'm just going to take my Stampin' Up! Petal Pink ink. I'm just going to go around the edges of these bits. And actually I just want to add a bit of this brown ink to the arms as well. So then I'm just going to put the bear together, and you can use this as a guide as well. I don't think I'm going to use this piece that goes down here. And then I'm just going to add a black bit of the nose on. And then I'm going to add little dots onto here for the eyes. I think I actually will put this bit on. So then I'm going to use my Happy Birthday stamp. So that's from this set here that you've probably seen me use quite a few times. It's called Great Occasions from Polkadoodles. I've used this Happy Birthday. It's 2 separate stamps because you've got all sorts of things to use them with. Like you might want happy graduation, happy retirement. So they're all separate so that you can kind of mix and match all of the stamps. So I'm just going to stamp those in this black Autumnal ink, just in this corner here. And then I'm going to glue him onto the card. And then I'm going to add all of these leaves that I've cut out so that it looks like he's playing in a leaf pile. I've got a few left, but I think that's probably enough now. So I'm just going to trim off the excess off the back. And then we've got this really cute autumn birthday card. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, I'd appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've used for today's card are listed in the description below, and there's also a link to my blog there where you'll be able to find a supply list with pictures if that makes it easier to find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.